Hi everybody, and welcome to the Electronic Business School of Ireland, the Export Academy. So, first of all, this is our main website, and you'll find a tab here with Campus. Clicking on that, you can access your online courses. That'll open up a new window, and then you can log in with your own email and password that would have been established when you were invited to the campus by our system. Once you're logged in as a standard user. Here is access to your AI tutor. You can see here that there is a password, more like kind of an answer to a question that you'll be asked when you try to access the ChatGPT system to access our AI powered tutor. By clicking on here, it'll open up in ChatGPT. You need to have an account on ChatGPT, but it doesn't have to be a paid account. It can be a standard free account, but we have a paid one ourselves. So if you don't use the password and ask a question, for example, the system will ask you for the password. Before we begin, please provide the course secret word so that I can assist you further. Okay, so then once verified, it'll be done. Okay, you can then ask anything that you want. For example, Incoterms. What are Incoterms? And it'll start to answer your questions. Here you can see how it explains about the Incoterms, certain differences and important notes about it. So that's where you can ask technical questions. And of course, going back here, you can also access your various course units. So we have here, for example, critical elements of customer service. You can resume if you have started it already, and it'll bring you back to when you go back to resume a course, it'll always take you to where you had left off. So you can see here resume, and there you go. You can see there we've already completed one or two parts of the course, and you can carry on then afterwards. Okay, it's quite easy to navigate through the course units, as you'll see. It's mainly scrolling through, reading through the content, and you're tracked through it as you progress. Some courses have assessments, and you can jump to specific sections if needed. I hope that's pretty clear. The catalogue and store aren't necessary right now at the moment, because you just have the assigned courses that you've been given and that your staff have been given. Here on the forums, this is a section that we're still working on, or still kind of developing it, but you can see there's an eBSI jobs board which we want to develop over time. When there's special events that we want to promote, we'll include them here in the special events. New course announcements, if there are any new course announcements, they'll be added here as well. If you need any questions or you need any assistance, you can go to the student support and ask a question. Okay. If you then of course, if you have a LinkedIn profile, we recommend that you include it here, so you can make an introduction of yourself. You can inform people of what your name is, a link to your LinkedIn profile, and any other social media that you'd like. This is still a work in progress, but we're working on it to add some additional value. Okay, fantastic. So that's pretty much it. You can definitely participate in any of the discussions that you can find on the system. So yeah, I want to welcome you to the courses. I hope you enjoy your learning experience with us, and we're looking forward to your feedback in order for us to keep on improving and to helping create a better and better experience for our learners moving forward. So, see you online.